Now, what I need to do, I need to put heat resistant tape. I have a specific size for this one. Underneath, to get the two cables attached together, little bit of the heat resistant tape. That length, and then I'll just cut this. I don't need it, and then I match the other cable to it. Exactly, that's how I wanted it. That looks great. What I usually do, flux and solder, flow all the bits with nice solder. One of the nice, like very nice solder. I mean, leaded ones. Have my iron set to 300 degrees. This is a flex cable. You're not working with a board which had mass to ground. No, it doesn't have resistance to ground.